Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things tech and audio. Today, we've got something special in store for you. We're diving deep into the world of car audio with the Kicker Compar 8 subwoofer. This right here is considered by many as the best 8-inch subwoofer on the market, and we're going to find out why. But before we get into the nitty-gritty details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews and recommendations. Alright, let's kick things off. Now, when it comes to upgrading your car audio system, a good subwoofer can make all the difference. The Kicker Compar 8 subwoofer is packed with features that promise to deliver impressive bass and sound quality. So, let's start with the basics. First up, the Kicker Compar 8 subwoofer is a dual voice coil, 2-ohm subwoofer. It's designed to give you that deep, distortion-free bass you've been craving for. The double-stacked magnet and full-coverage steel basket ensure it packs a punch. Take a look at this beauty. It boasts a ribbed Santoprene surround that allows for large excursion, and the stitched surround adds unsurpassed reliability. The injection-molded polypropylene cone with Santoprene rubber surround ensures durability and exceptional sound performance. What sets this subwoofer apart is its forced air cooling feature, which keeps it running 25% cooler. Heat is the enemy of endurance, and Kicker has tackled it head-on to ensure long-lasting performance. Now, one of the standout features is the inclusion of 2 sets of brass voice coil terminals. They're spring-loaded and covered in a lustrous satin nickel finish. This means you have flexible wiring options to get the most out of your system. Before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at what customers are saying. The Kicker Compar 8 subwoofer has received rave reviews, with an impressive 4.6 out of 5-star rating on Amazon. Customers praise its punchy and clean bass, making it a great value for the price. In conclusion, if you're in the market for the best 8-inch subwoofer, the Kicker Compar 8 subwoofer is a strong contender. Its combination of features, durability, and performance make it a top choice for car audio enthusiasts. If you're ready to take your car audio to the next level, check out the link in the description below to get your hands on the Kicker Compar 8 subwoofer. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and share it with your fellow audio enthusiasts. And as always, stay tuned to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews and tech recommendations. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time on Product Critique. Happy listening!